This is Mark Williams with Premier Basketball Media, and I am joined by Alicia Sutton, a 2016 Missouri Phenom PBR, right? The Stripes Division champion, probably the division MVP right here. I don't even know if they gave out that trophy. You'd be my division MVP if I had my vote. That's who I would vote for. Hey, congratulations on winning the Stripes Division here at Adidas Nationals. What did you think was the key in a good game there with Texas Elite, Adidas Crazy Fast, that got y'all the win?
I think rebounding was a key, and playing good defense, keeping them off the free throw line, keeping off the three-point line. So we just had to stay calm, get the ball in the basket. Yeah.
Yeah, and I agree with you. Y'all's defense was fantastic. A team that shot well, pretty well the whole tournament. You know, they weren't able to shoot as well. They got a lot of open looks early, hit a lot of threes, and so there's a big difference there in the championship game. Let's talk a little bit about your game, because we talked a little bit in the spring. Yeah. And you know, kind of some rough times early, but you really worked out the kinks and spent a lot of time on your game in the gym, and you see the way that you're playing at a very high level this July. Talk about the progress of your game from the spring to the summer.
I think in the spring, my decision-making was a little shaky, but now it's getting better. My shot is getting better a little bit, and just getting my teammates involved it's getting better. So
absolutely, and I think you know, in the spring, and we talked about this a little bit early, is sometimes the decision of when to kick, when to shoot. Yeah. You know what I mean? And that's really improved. And what you've noticed is when you're getting there and kick, the next time you go, you get there and get space. Mm-hmm. And so I think that's young players don't quite understand. There's two reasons why you drive: for you to score A, B is for your teammates. And so you got to have both. So now you go home. How's high school season looking there at Parkway North?
High school's looking good. We're still looking for players, but I think we're still going to have a good season with the guards that we have. We're still looking for posts, so that's the only bad thing. So
you and probably half the high schools in the country are looking for posts to help them out. So, well, congratulations on the Adidas win the Stripe Division. I know we'll see you here in the Three Stripes camp here next couple of days. And so for 2016, Alicia Sutton, this is Mark Williams with Premier Basketball Media.